Sanibonani bafethu, and this is your boy uKatlego Ntariana Mula aka uMr Soweto kwaFela Motsepe aka Mr Cool himself. Intwana seMagonji la Glo Motors la kujiya khona i-40. I was born in Soweto but my soul lives in Italy. That's why they call me Ntariana bafethu. Welcome to iKasile Vukile bafethu. Last street car wash bafethu. Njengoba nibona open space kanje. No dumping bafethu, akusisiganga le. I-car wash. So bafethu, make sure you pull up, come enjoy with us, come have fun with us and come vibe with the gang and alongside sine-guest for the first time. Ngiphethe sushi kara, ngiphethe chakati kai, ngiphethe ituro.
No, Tito Vici Luciano, first black Italiano. It doesn't get better than that, but Kasile Vukile. Hope now Vukile thought, hey, aware.
Yabo.
Yes.
Like it kara ne.
Hi, sushi. Sushi.
Yeah, bafethu siphethe sushi kuba nathi amajide eKasile Vukile one time. So sishibona ababukele ekhaya mfethu, warm welcome ukuthi wakwani sushi campaign kwenzakalani uzeleni kuKasile Vukile ukuzovusa ikhathi kanjani.
Sure.
Yeah, bafethu kama usushi, yabo. I'm a pastor, disgusted, never to be trusted pastor, a former recovering junkie, Cristiano on my drugs, Maraseka Buile Manzeni. Forever grateful man to the platform, yabo. And due to my first and second episode, you know the irony of God is panang is in yabo. On a lighter note, nahlangana nelinye sister man la sithi ama nazi intwana yami ivane intwana yami kanjibuye emandleni yena ukuthi ngabona wena kuma YouTube eKasile Vukile yabo. And to me mangithola icall uNtariana tayi intanga siyashoota yabo. It's a shoot ukuthi mina ngasiza impilo yomunye umuntu yabo, because there's someone who wants to get upon themselves ukuthi asize mina. You understand? And the rawness of the truth kwezinye indawo asisitholi. Sometimes you get stories ngithathe ukuthi angibhemile ngayeka mara ama-transgressions sokuthi umuntu abheme ayeke, most people abawathathi yabo. So for me to be here, it's a service for me yabo.
Sure.
Yeah, I don't need to get paid yabo, mara need to get masikole funga
Obvious.
So
Sure.
for me, I'm going to tap into every sphere yomuntu ohlala elokishini.
Sure.
Yabo, yeah, because everyone can relate. Ukuthi elokishini kunani, yabo. And for a person to smoke drugs, it's a split decision. Nokubhoreka kuyakudinisa ama-drugs.
Hayi wena nama.
Yabo. Yeah, nokukhenya kuyakudinisa ama-drugs. You understand? So it goes back to your point ukuthi wonke umuntu obhema ama-drugs, as I've always said, umuntu obhema ama-drugs ubhekiswa ukuphapha. That's the basic fundamental. Yeah, basic fundamental umuntu obhema ama-drugs ubhekiswa ukuphapha.
Yeah, cala ngokupha.
Ngeke ukuthi wena una-olady kini ukhule kunetha. Baningi abantu abakhule kanjalo uma ababhemi yabona. Angithi thina besifuna ukubangena nama-drugs wasingena. You understand? Yeah, yabo. So manje impilo elokishini manje elokishini kuyanyiwa ziyabuya.
Kunyiwa kanjani sibacela simamele wena, you are our guest today, you are here to teach.
Yazi
Tell
yazi intanga manje elokishini mntana izinto ezibhaya yabo.
Khuluma nathi.
Abantu bayatshontshelwa, abantu bayatshontsha, abantu bayalahlekelwa, abantu babhema ama-drugs. Mawungekho strong mental, hlala elokishini ungekho unemployed, izinto ezibhazi ngakuswallowa yabo. Yeah. Like for me, umuntu ofana nami, but an idle mind is a devil's workshop. Umuntu ofana nami uyeka ama-drugs, ukuhlala kuphela kuyarelapsisana yabo. Yeah. Mina benginjaya ama-rehab mina. Yabo. Yeah, I'm proud to say it Fanda ukuthi
Vayengani.
Yeah.
Yeah, vayengani.
awaseGauteng ngava yonke except lawo wenyuko ngoba bese bakhathele.
Mobile ayingayiboni manje.
I5. To your point ukuthi mase ngiye-rehab, mase ngiya kokugcina bangitshela ungasabuyi indoda. Contract yakho nathi expire lekunini urelapse ntana.
Sure.
Yabo. Yeah.
So when the main cause of relapse yini ukhinyela.
Ulastar.
That's that.
Yeah, sometimes I always tell people,
Papa plan.
Papa ka.
bengile
Papa kakho akulala.
ngithanda ukututsa. Mina bengifuna ukuphila music video. Ngifuna ukuphila music video.
Yeah.
Ubhemele emabeleni wamantombazane nje. Mangishayele yaqale yangiyayeka.
Okay.
ya uyabo
Asile.
ya after leya mabele manje after leya mabele ngibona ukuthi sekungena esisho istyle ngithi mangingasha lesa style ngiyayeka
Yeah.
yabona ukuthi manje ngiyaprogress yabona
Okay.
ya alikho idrag leli engingakalibhemi alikho
amaphi ama-drugs wabhemile ngoba ngamenshina la
bhemizolo
azola kusi-drugs senzenjani.
Hayi zola ngeni.
ya phela nithi abanye abantu yabahlula
Maricala lapho.
ya icala la
Gateway,
ya phela
i-gateway utshwala
igetwe
utshwala,
izolo
gateway,
utshwala
gateway utshwala.
utshwala i-gateway.
Ngingivara utshwala.
Angithi kuna-drug elibhetha
elibhetha ya
ama-drugs ayabhetha
ayabheda
Sha.
wena elipho ngasho yabona leliya linsimbi
ya akasibalele makucitile vele uza kule question kachakati ungejalo wabalo
qale ngezolo elizolo is-acceptable mabhemi izolo kasestyleni
ya
so akunakuthi from
Kufanele
zolo
ukuthi nabazali bamavumele incosi sibhema happy sesitayileni.
ya
Kuhlobo bakho Mr. Happy.
ya
ako-vape la.
Inkauza, shuthi wena ungankauza phambi kwe-olilapho.
ya
Babisitabatsho.
phela no uyawazi amadlozi wasekasi ngwanaka awuthubela mamuntu ngushap
Ya,
awuhluphi bathi
ya
yabo
ya
ya
Okay.
unokubona umnjalo ukuthi wawusathubela umuntu yangandaste angazi ukuthi it's a gateway
Sure.
Yeah.
ya uyaprogress ama-drugs ama-stage
Ama-stage.
uyaprogressa ngama-drugs ne akekho umuntu ekawabhema i-drug eliyi-one wayawayo
Angeke.
nalothi ubhema izolo uke watutsa inyinto mara watayileya kuseya mnyayiyela
Sure.
uyabo
Yeah, injalo.
Yeah.
ngacala ngezolo ya ayibonke
ayibonke bafethu
phela mase abantu phela sifana ngithi ya yabo kunabanye abantu bathi bane-addictive personality
Sure.
kufana nami once I start I cannot stop
eish
ngicale ngezolo nabantu abanomali bhenya izolo yabona mase ngibhema izolo mase ngihleli ngiyi-one ngibona ngathi mina nezolo niyamisa chakadinga lezolo yakhe ayamisa chakadinga abantu abafast
ufuna nesenamandla
ya izolo ngathi angilalisa kumele ngikhuphuke
ya
sengibhemani ngibhema ikhet
Kathi.
and ikhet uyazi and phela ikhethe yamabhutshwa
Ubhema
ikhethe
kanjani?
thina sazile ibhenywa ama-soccer player yabona abo-Whitney Houston uyezwa noyibhema abantu abahloniphekile ukuthi mina
Hhayi,
ngingabhema
thina zange wabhema ikhethe.
Bekabhema
Sukela,
ikhethe.
bekabhema i-crack cocaine.
ya angithi
Bra.
phela thina safuthi silanda le ngaphansi kwayo fana nokuthi
Yeah.
fana nokuthi
Kanjani?
fana nokuthi ya
ya marriage
Okay.
hey yabo
Amachopo.
ngasibhemela ikhethi yeza ngamakhethi yeza ngamakhethi yeza ngamakhethi ayi lezi amakhethi ma ngathi sizislow lezi yazini athi ngiyotutsa leziya yaba lezi zifast ngithanda ubufast bazo lezi ziyabamba ziyayeka sekuyimi ngikristyle uyabona ya ngibhema ama-drugs la ediprifa ngakadumi ezigrupini yami
Yeah.
ezifaya bekuyimi i-gateway ntanga mamela hayi rosnia kayi hayi ki-50 makuyi-30 ngithi 50
manje angitshela why lezi zibhemikristali noma uringanayo maybe mina inokumakazi
Yeah, ama-position ey'tayela le.
phela ngithi phela mawubhema i-freestyle phela awulali you don't rest now
umbuzo wami ukuthi why baphosa
Lama-position awa, lama-standing ley'tayela le.
nje uyangithola aringe nawo ngala mara
ah kushuthi hayisinini
yenza
ngithola amacala isandla singayithi
phela shakathi yenza umsebenzi wayo yazi kunenye ifeeling yabona ifeeling yama-drugs you cannot explain it you need to feel it
badlani le abathanda ukuthi wena aloka
hayi mani indaba mani thina yabona ngeenkathi zethu besazi ukuthi ama-crystal nani bowungajampi mawuwabheme bowungajampisi esikhona ukugeza sithikine yabona bengibatshela hayi ama-ingredients wama-crystal la benibheke ekhaya nibhekela abantwana bakithamanga
Come on.
hayi
Amahlaya sewamaningi.
lezo
Sebayahlanya la mathi.
Yeah.
The word amphetamine. The word crystal method. Amphetamine. The word amphetamine means crazy. It's Greek for crazy. Hlanya. So eventually, the result is you are going to go crazy.
okay
Crystal clearly, mfana. You are going to go low. Yeah, your liquids are going to get crystallized. Your mind is going to get blown, mfana. You are going to go low.
unesikhathi esingakanani
Amphetamine.
uyekile
ne-21 zaka-25 years
Shara.
Yeah, nice one.
Shara.
Keep it flat. Keep it flat.
ya ayi
After Christian.
after crystal phela ngithi phela ama-drugs anamaphakathi yabo kune-Adam no-Eve i-cat nezolo yabo yehlisa izolo khuphukisa i-cat i-crystal inento yayo i-crystal ihambisana nendanda
Ingane.
yeah amaphari inyawupe ihambiselana ne-rock up and down ziyayehlisana lezi
Ukwenda
zinto
kunyawo.
mina ngiyathela ukuthi nguKristiano wama-drugs nginama-Ballon nguChristiano wama-drugs nginama-Ballon ya
Mara sisho ukuthi wena mapalando ekhasi.
Akusintegre.
Hlala nephucwini.
Akusintegre.
mina nginama-Ballon wama-drugs empethu ama-rap ngiwavayile mpethu
Ugelezenda.
yo empethu sengiphuma nakuma-church mfethu bathi bayongigabhisa
Manje wena ngitshele ngoba ubheka mina the way ibona ngakhona. Ngibona ngathi le system yama-rehab it's just nje ukwenza imali. It's not retaining for gas. Is it working?
yazi bengifuna ukuya yabona i-rehab ne before ye-rehab kumele uzimisele kuqala phela ama-decision ukuthi umuntu e-rehab asifani phela mina ngike ngaye e-rehab ukuthi
Bayakufoster.
ya ukuthi ngifuna endlini bangibhala amateki nonye e-rehab ngiyobamba umoya ngizobuya ngibhema after boma-6 months
Okay.
khona umuntu ono-rehab ngoba uzolahlekelwa isipani yabona and then khona umuntu e-rehab sekakhathazwa ama-drugs
Wena
Akasafuni
wayekiswa yini? Khona umuntu
Wena yini?
oyekiswa ukuthi i-rehab.
Yeah.
Khona umuntu oyekiswa ukuzitshela. Uyangithola yini impela
ayish mina bese ngikhathele mina yabona
Ukhathele ini?
bese ngikhathele like mina bese ngikhathele ukubhema mama nanoma ngibhema sengiyabona ukuthi makala akusena phambili akusena muva yini akusena la ngizobalekela khona wonke ama-rehab lawo bengithi phela mina benginokunakela e-rehab benginokuhlala ngiyi-1 ngesikhupho ikasiseli yakheni isida jele or rehab hayi ngi-rehab kubalekele kwenye i-rehab yabo but it came to a point nami sengiyabona ukuthi makazi ukubhema ama-drugs mina kungidelelisa ngeyibhani
Yeah, vele besina.
yabo ngidiraile impilo yami ngezinto ezibhaya yabo and I've run out of excuses
Yeah, sure.
yabo ya le ukuthi wena ukhuluma namama bazokutshela shapa akasekho bofuna senzeni
Bema manje.
alright siyase okay senzeni ke umntana se-next door naye ke namama kabhemi why
Yeah.
yabo so i-system yama-zanswembu mina ngalesikhathi ngibhema ama-drugs bengihlala nginey'nyembezi engizisitelile
Forget.
Nigebe.
ya makungacala kunyakhala
Mntwana manje wena njengoba ubona la ikasi lonke 80% yala i-Clivers. Lentwana lezi kumele kube ama-soccer star kuba ama-doctor nani seziphethwe ama-drugs phela lapha eBarrett. Ufila kanjani yini wena into onayo ongayithuna ezingathi masithi sihlanganisa amakhanda la sihlanganise ney'khwama nama-connection kusuke kube into ehambayo for la i-Clivers njengoba i-people ingasatheshi akusena ama-activities wena yini into uma uyibhekile ongayithuna manje
And plus bekabloma khona ebhareni.
Good man.
lapho ubloma khona le engathi masi siyolanda le bar lezi
Phela futhi manje yazi leyo question leyo
Tell
ngihlanga
'em.
phakathi nangaphandle
Manje
phansi
yazenze.
naphezulu nasemasayidini
yeah
ama-drugs futhi manje singawacela understand
Yeah.
and I always say that there are people that are governed to help us with all substances and everything. They are relevant department but they are not helping us
sure
yabo yeah they are not
Yeah.
last time okay this for example bayasithatha sebhareni bayobopha ababhemi abayi-20 kusasa ababhemi bayaphuma i-white paper
for what?
sekuyi-culture siyazi why don't they create programs in place and say we arrest ababhemi there's a program at the police station we give you options do you want to get arrested or do you need help to quit smoking
sure
because 90% of people who are smoking drugs want to quit akekho umuntu enjokubhema ama-drugs noma singambheka ndlula akekho umuntu oyinjokubhema ama-drugs
yeah
ukhathele yabona but the boring thing is that the rehab process is long
yeah
mawuzothatha umuntu obhemayo umtshela ukuthi kumele agibela ijosi uyogibela ngani
sure
uyoya ngani e-society ngani uyoya ngani ngoba mina mangicala ngibe mitritaka kumele ngibheme
mara uma ubhekile umuntu obhema bamgaya imali bathi agibela
showcase futhi
yabo
manje.
ukuthi i-rehab yafuneka ukuthi iyaqala iphume kuye
Yeah, okay, but
ya kuvele umuntu obhema
Yeah.
bekazi ukuthi manje no ne ithi sithi no. Yazi the way i-process ye-rehab la ngithi ngakhona ne-process yokusineyishot ngakhona
Hey, sure.
asifani
Wow.
asifani.
Ngiyabuzwa Jackie.
Yeah. Yeah, man is tata.
Yeah,
Rehab, man, John.
Suthi
Wow.
kahle kahle
So what-
unokufika i-rehab akutshela bathi mfethu sine-waiting list 150 people.
Yo.
Ngithi kanjani ama-vacant space kufakwa imipantshi wani ngakho ama-rehab
Yeah.
abantu baye kukubhema
Sure.
yabo. There are no programs in place ukuthi basisize mfethu ngama-rehab.
Ubani ongasiza? Who will reaching out? Is it agriculture or kumele kube i-social development issue vele social development office khona la abomakriza la bakhola khona umndende la. Kula kumele i-answer ikhona la.
Hayi ngikutshela yazi ukuthi mani labantu laba bababeke. There's one thing I once said in a rally, you see, that they need to hire the relevant people.
Yeah.
Ngeke uqashe ngeke soqasha umuntu beka-tech generation sithi azorekhodisa urhodi awuyofeyila ngeke awabamba amabhithi.
Sure.
Ukuthi mani ufuna ama-take amaningi ufuna leya take yakhe uyabona. Wena uthatha umntana uthatha ukugraduate lapha evasithi ufuna ukuyomthatha kumele adile nabantu bama-drugs ake nanhliziyo layo yabo labantu labo. Kumele uthathe mina engikhuzuke nala bantu. Lo muntu makathi ushawa yi-down ngiya-understand ukuthi lo muntu lo uyalimala lo.
Alright, manje ke wena kumele sikuplace va. Uyabona wena kahle kahle ngiyakubona uyithulusi njaya.
Yeah,
You're a perfect tool, but you need to be placed in the right place, young tall. And we got to connect. You heard? Should lo mai wena ntwana mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi kumele sikuplace va.
kumele be-social worker.
Kumele simfake la siyaya la ku-NS ya siyamlanda u-NS lapha kwi-social development office. Yi-MD yala u-NS.
Kumele abe no-
Sinanda layout sihlala no-NS siyamlanda live simtshela ukuthi enzobheka mfethu nayi layout le and layout le simbona anesikhala esigrand mfana for our social ill yala kasi via ama-drugs because now nayi i-solution because manje sifuneka i-solution ka you sound like a solution wena unayo i-solution already
i-solution iphelile.
wena nje kumele ungitshele ukuthi kumele kwenzakaleni phela
Yabona for no. Ngicela bakhathe mani le long stroke yokuthi amajita kumele angene e-rehab. Ngiyavuka namhlanje ngumbhemi ngizimisele phela wonke umbhemi unelanga lakho lokubadaza umfana fanele ngathi ngingayeka.
yeah
There need to be places where mangifika ngithi yazi ngishaye ngokuyeka bathi sika ushaye ngokuyeka. They must create halfway houses mfethu. Mawufuna ukuyeka meanwhile umele le procedure asibuy son house somewhere uplomera. Because your mind is there. Ike yenzakala kimi ngithi ngifuna ukuyeka vandag ngaphuma ebusuku ngayotshontsha. Kusasa senginekuthengisa. Manje ngilanda Monday ngizonitshela hayi angisayidi mina.
yeah
Senginabu ma-40 fanya chubeka nyaphela.
usabhema ubanje bakushaya
Kabuhlungu.
Umphakathi government ngathi
Ngiyabhaya mfethu.
lukatshwa
ngathi kumamele ukuthi bakubambe ungenaphi kwenzakalani because no-Shark kubuzile ukuthi eliphi i-drug elisha kakhulu.
Elisha kakhulu.
Yeah.
Eline-matric.
Yeah.
Hayi nyawupe. PhD lelakhohlwa.
yeah
Ngidilela i-PhD khohlwa. Ngihlala ngitshela umuntu ngithi mawubheka umuntu obhema inyawupe. Uthi wayangayeki le nto ibheme 6 months every day. Uvuke kusasa uthi yayeka singakubhadala uyadlala.
yeah
Ayikeki.
Ekhohlwa. Uyeke nje uthi uyavuka ubani wena.
yeah lezi zinokhala ngayo
Nama-cravings mfethu and processes in place.
iyayeke
Yona
yonke into
yona iyayekeka. Uyangana
marakolula cause inama-addictive dating ine-heroin yangithola dating lezi ze-addictive akwazi ukuthi ungaziyekekela wena uvele ujayeka nje uthi akuthek ngiyayeka it's gonna i-procedure needs to be drained kuwe like heroin is a motherfucker
khona vele ibe yimbi yena uzimisele
nasengqondweni feni yabo bakhona abantu abafakiwe riding bakufake ngoba ngikunqanya thatha ngakufaka riding so we-induce mfethu i-drug ngayicover riding just ukuthi just bengahlangana nenye out story for another day hlangana with some nigga who told me some
yazi
stories
ukuthi manje ngenye ipointi emanyazi ipointi ngishaya ngaphakathi yabo ukuthi yabona when dealing ngama-substance nani nani, they need to have people on the ground, yabo.
Yeah, yeah.
Ngoba masimamele ama-budget speech nokuzwa bathi social development is allocated 2 billion years.
Yeah, imali
Yeah.
social. Yeah.
Yeah.
And abachapeka kasi every class ine social development office yayo. And leyo office ine budget for every class.
And
Leyo budget ile mele isidile ngama social aid. Iyo mele idile ngama issues wethu ama-drug nani. Kumele masigijima la. Bakwazi ukusigaya social. Ama-social worker bakwazi ukusiza, bakwazi ukubhekela, bakwazi exact. Mara manje abantu abacaba. For one, ukuthi i-social development officer ya abayicabi la le. Kumanje nje intwana ey'bhaya zazi ukuthi yini babona kogogo bahola umndeni, they don't know what's happening. Amount i-social development office uyamcaka udaki waselokishini.
Abantu bayazivalela abantu bethu banokuhlanyela ezinye izinto. Mawutapeka akhulume ngento mhlawumbe ukuthi manje into ukuthi i-address-iwe maybe naku-meeting omphakathi. Uthola be-meeting abanje emahholweni. Abantu bethu abazivayi lezo.
yeah,
Akuningi abantu.
yeah.
So nami
Alright, so the conception is kumele abantu babe informed. So we need to, okay, we need to get rid of the idea. Angeke sithi abantu ba ignorant, and then how are you going to empower people who are ignorant? I-social ill is a social ill.
sure.
So if you have a social ill, siyabona mfana i-drug likhava tikasi donke akusena mafeni.
Each and every house in the
Ngihlala ukuthi asinama-role model.
yeah, each and every household.
Every household there's a drug
Like,
in every household there's a junkie. And the writing there you can see it is systematically placed. Ayizela. Njengoba bayiletha ngayi. When Tick was taken in Cape Town, they were telling you it's a biological click. Your biological clock is ticking into over. Now Tick is here and it's taking over. Peganosi, immense. That's Tick. So it's pair take out. So kushukuthi manje there's people. Khona izinja zeke. Yangithola. Sengikhuluma nga big names. You want me to mention?
If you want to.
No, let me not. But the big dogs know themselves.
Yeah. So yeah,
Big business owners, big brands, big heads, they involved in the drug business as well. Let our guys pay. Yeah, there's people funding the drug for it to be constantly in a class, constantly pushed. That is why ipaya kangaka ikazi.
yeah, okay, Thilo mina nginombuzo oyi-one. Njengoba besembuza phela bathi nizwela ngama-drugs ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mina ngifuna
Siyazi.
ubatshele i-experience yokushaya umphakathi ukuthi kunjani. And kunjani umama wakho makazokulanda lapha ushaya umphakathi.
Yo.
Like I was asimopeni isikhathi esigesi. Asixoxele iy'tori zakhe zokushaya umphakathi. Bona kwabani bowenzeni uqale kanjani. Tshele leso story leso.
And it doesn't, yabona ama-drugs ne, you live to use and use to live. Philela ukubhema, phila ngomthetho. Uyangi-understand? Noma kube manzi siyayithatha. Yabo.
Phumela ini.
Yeah, isiyeri ngumntwana
Awu wena bosangitshela ukuthi uzoyenza.
hayi
Solution.
i-solution sizoyibamba
Ebaba mfana ngiyakutshela solution
Yeah.
baba.
sizoyibamba masiceda asizwe the problem then we rap.
Yazi mfana ne, yazi
Ushawe kangaki bakushayeleni wayaphi wayenza
phela ukuthola ukushaya ngashawa kithi emzini yabo. Uyazi phela kini phela kini mabakushaya bayakutotosa, angeke bakushaya njengomuntu wangaphandle. Kumele uyeke. Yabona?
Kumele ukhwayo.
Hayi lo
This thing.
yazala lo.
Trap did it.
Ngizobashaya mabangalahla ngizobashaya. Abantu bamphila nabo labo man. Ngizobashaya bazocola. Yini mkhwaya inhlini utshani. Until nenzani angisena access ukutshontsha endlini sengitshontsha kuma-surround zero. Ngangikala ngandlula kwakho ngandlula ngabona hose pipe late now. Shale hose pipe ngifune kwazi. Noma ngathi indoda leyo sipathi iqhathwa amasotsha ngiyayishaya. Mindset yami la kumele ngishayele leyo ukuthi la
Ulimala kangakanani
ukuthi
afuthi.
bathakathi ithamala la nesibhamu uzomthetho. Chakathi uzongishaya mase ngiqeda ukubheka.
Yeah, sengibhemile.
Mase ngingashaya ngabhema yabo, yeah, yabo, to a point where
Akushuteli plan.
Yo.
Over njani.
To your point where phela mase uqala utshontsha usafateli. Shala amakhaphu lawa ngazi ukuthi abontariyana bengihleli nabo ngiyawashala amakhaphu lawa yini.
Why?
Ukuthi abontariyana bazothi yimi angifune kwazi. Mangingabhema ngizoxoxa nabontariyana abo. Phela sometimes awuthola abantu abalinye. Unokuthola umuntu nimtshontshela kuthiwa ukuthi hayi angifuni izinto ezibhanga ngifuna izinto zami. Nokuthola omunye makafuna izinto zakhe sekakuthasile sekakubambile sekurafu yabo. So mina bengile ntwana leyo ukuthi phela uyazi maqala ubhema siqala sibhema ngemicondo siyalayithisana yabona ya mina mangiqala ngithethe maqala ngibamba bengisukumisela ngcono ngibophise.
So bake bakushaya wavuka bomasendlela. Ngoba uthi washaya umphakathi.
Ya ngike ngavuka ebhanga ngivukeka kayisandla ayiye emarathini sibaba.
Uyotshontsha.
Woy akusistokola siyangibamba kule nyawuthi in fact mina sidlulela la emagaraji ama-asking yabo oright ashaphi uthi le ngiyabona iyangifrista plus vele singapha vele ngeke usenze nexa singakulimaza ngapha singapha phela futhi manje mfethu yazi olekula mkhayithile ngibashona ukuthi bayangikhoza uyazi kodwa manje lelibheka ngine-shop ntwana ngicela uze everyday uzothatha igawulu uzongiwashela ikara manje sengiwasha ikara leya tape mangisukula ngiyabona ithi ingcono yami ithi le tape lesokuyeyami ngizoyishaya Friday before ngiyishaya le tape ngithi kasi ngifuna ibhaya yakhona kodwa mani wethi kunale tape so kuhle lona ntwana ukuthi uyibhaya sika ya leya tape ngiyishaya kwa successful phela ingcono yami mina itape ngimumbheki ngikade ukutshontsha nini ngifuna ukukhosa kara
Yo.
ayife ngami le hlebe mangiyebheka uthi nyana nje cheese boy so noma ngingahlangana naye ngashanga amarayi mangingahlangana naye no makanete ukuthi daye ngithole ngisabheka la uthi le yangikhenza leya tsotsi ukuthi kusuke akathini ukuya ebhara nge-walking abantu babona ngivuza amagaya yini ukuthi abangibamba inkunzi ngiphume esipaneni maka bathi bakuphuma ejikele esipani le alokhu enziwe le ngabuya ngakukhenzwa nayiye ekasi tshontshe ngapha ebakhumane estateini la
SPT.
ayidanga lapha ntangantangiyani ngangixoxa leya sini kuba ngathi ngidanga
Kwenzakaleni
lapha ngiyashaya successful mnandi ngibanjwa yipili sengikhosa ngekhaya ngibanjwa kubo 2 weeks sibali babamba uwathuzi wami mangithi ngiyakhosa bathi yebo hamba nayo last injani ngithi injani bathi yo bamba ezinye ezingangaka ntanga yo ngithi yazi laba kumele ngibhebhe bangibamba ngisabheke hayi la uthi kuyangikhenza
Yo.
la uthi kuyangikhenza
Yakwenza lamasiko.
uma-3 hours 3 hours enye mnandi
Is now.
enama-break ukuthi hlala phansi singihlale phansi mawulokhu uhleli la ilokhu ihleli iyakutshela into engisa kuwe mangiceda yingisa ngesinye ispeed ngiza ngesinye ispeed mangiza kuwe
Thile nawe tarani.
ngabona ngasikhuphula ngathi yo sengishawe amarathini sengishawe local sengishawe endlini internal
Yo. From local guys.
enhle nami ngibuya ngiyabona ukuthi mara enhle yazi la hleke indaba yami la mara ayisekho la kumele ngikhethe baphuma emzini bathi bangisa kuma-ZCC ayi mara mina iy'tori zami ngidangazi mara mina ngilimele yazi ntanga bayangikhipha emzini bangise-ZCC ngiyaphuma bashaya igaka baye ePitori vane futhi mani lami nensayiza yakhe yazi ngisemabhek city ngiyafika lapho lela sonto manje ngingena bathi ngishaya amabhantshi ngiyangena ngishaya amabhantshi bangishaya ngamanzi mangiceda ukungena yabona lapha abahleli pha mangithi ngibheka amabhege ngibona amakhako ngida uNkulunkulu uzongicelela uwongilethela uyazi ukuthi la kwenzakalani la bayazi abantu ukuthi mina ngiyabhema la nenkinga mina la olahlayo ngiyamshaya bathi uvela izono zethu nale foni le ngizoshaya yini Asangena la bathi kumele ngiyongena emantsheni kumele ngiphumule ngapha mina ngishawa amathawuni ngiphethwe izinto zami ngahlala kancane ngalibheka lela sister ngalitsatsela sebarelaxile ngithi amakholwa bonke hayi bathontelani ngesibuko lalilahla lela sister simkhumula ibhathi ngayithatha ngayifaka phansi kwe-inasulu ngathi ngahlala kanje into mangiphuma bengiphuma kancane into ey'mana ama-cramp yazi phumela ngalishaya lela sisteri ngikutshela ukuthi laba baloko bangithandazela sengicabanga amabhaka mabangayitheni e-hostel ngiyakarara abangayitheni karani ngiyakarara yabona yazi indoda mina ngilimele laba ngishayela indayelo kithi ngiyabona simele angaphathi bathenga amabisi nani nani esenza boma-4 something makale imali yami yokubhema mina ngikakabi
akusavele nomprofit oyi-one
uzombona athi lo
into yazi umprofita makamprofita ngiyamtshela bayamtshela ukuthi enhle kule inkinga le ntwana le ntwana le sikuthi ayikhulanga grand
khuluma
yamtshela ukuthi umuntu lo mfutho around mina ngiyalimala
beware of false prophets
yabuzi baseyatshela ukuthi inkinga yakho yini
and into lengihlala ngisho ngabaprofiti nawe mfethu mangingavula isonto bengithi vele ngizolivula mara ngeke ngivule mangingavula isonto ngizoza kuwe ngikutshele into esimple ibasic yazi efemelini yakho umuntu ongakuthandi uyocabanga uma mncane wakho lo bengicabanela imayonesi leni nomngcwabo ukuthi vele kuye andazipho zonke mina ngashayela ifoni lapha ngashayela ifoni bathenga la ndoda ngafika la ekasi sengicabanga onye umagriz womzethe ukuthi kumele ngimthengisela le ndayelo lesi sebayimixile ama-drugs ansimbi so ebethe ama-drugs ansimbi ebethe mina ama-rap ngoba yonke ngakutshela nemili yase-rap yasebhara no Thursday vandag vandag bakawulis spaghetti ne-rice vandag bakawulis spaghetti nithi bakawuli papa namathambo kusasa papa hayi kusasa yisinkwa esinegrave Saturday amabheka Sunday kodwa
mara sushi waye wena ngikubuze ngokuthi yini lo igelezele kula ma-rehab ungakhumbuli mara ukhumbula ama-meal
kula ma-rehab ayi-4 langile sekungayi mina bengiyela ukuyoma ezisa mina ngimtshela amaqiniso
wena uyinjani
konje uthoyekiswe yini i-rehab
nginikiswe i-rehab phela ngeke
ikhona le khona
yini
igama layo yakuphi
yila ebhara empilweni lapha sesitshini bheka laphayana bheka lapha
nani khona bulele
kanjani ungabatshontsheli bona uzuyeke
phela rani bese ngikhathele
nawe besekhathele
la bese ngikhathele phela nyanga ngama-lockdown ngama-looting uzangithi lockdown
makulutho nawe waluthe
ngingena lapho ngiphethe ama-2 kg masef ngingena lapho ngiphethe ama-apple tiger phela ngihome mara engqondweni bese ngizwile nami yabo lawa ngengayakwenye ngaphela engisehla hayi angithi ngangena lapha bafuna ukuhlekisa ama-drugs
ngomthandazo
ebut leso hlathini bathi ngibheka ngapha kunabani ngithi why bangangifuni bangangitsheli ukuthi vaya wami ungazongilahlela yini ngizwe lapha uma bathi here if you want to leave you can leave we'll give you taxi fare ngathi but so me I stay in Soweto but how much not me I go from here to town and from town I need to go to another small town and from another small town I need to go to Bar and then from Bar I need to go to Square and then from Square I catch another taxi plus minus for my 3 something fonele la ngamla lithatha ifoni libhonela kithi amathela ke ya vele atsamaya mo angibonele la ngamla lithi ngonda mngatheka mnyama ndawo kanti Jozi khona bullet and life khona plastic and box angangena ngazenzana ngazimesa
imali yase-rehab i-rehab yona le akusi-rehab
hayi leyakusirehab lapha imithandazo bayasithandaza and abantu bayalimala ubona ukuthi ujikile ushawa igama bayamthandaza the efficient the what was it laba bayazala
so kuwo wonke lama-rehab awavayile njami akukho la ubona ama-scamnyana laba awaphushayo ubona ukuthi la bantu laba banje iy'mali zabantu
wonke ama-rehab badla inyuku
bayenza inyuku
wonke ama-rehab badla inyuku
Yeah.
wonke
Batabulawayo.
kabuhlungu kabuhlungu.
So manje wena yini ongayenza different? Ubona kuzonke into angithi kunento egelezayo la.
Yeah.
Bakubona ngithi ukuthi okay, how do you get rid of drugs, ukuthi ubulala kanjani craving nani nani. Kunento ozithathile la phela thina sesivulele yethu la ekhaya. Siyala ku-social development, uyazi wena kumele ube la, kumele ube yi-chair la.
Yeah.
Isipani sakho wena uzozi-rehabilitate zonke zala ekhaya. Naka-Spur Life is the movement and angithi uyayicaba.
Yeah, ngiyayibamba.
Yeah, as my brothers keeper isipani sethu bona njaya.
Yeah.
Ukuthi siyadala nge-solution baba. Maye wena watholile amathulusi la.
Yeah.
Ukuthi u-equipped ukuthi ungasiza umuntu ngithi mfana mina nginento ye-crystal angisiza. Ungakhona ngithi.
Ukusiza umuntu.
Yeah.
Yeah, dedicated 100%.
Alright. So kusho ukuthi manje
Ngimele yami ngama for ukusiza umuntu amadrag.
yeah.
Insize yami
Yeah.
ingama for ukusiza umuntu amadrag. Ngifatele iphara ngenhliziyo yami yonke. Nazi struggle sakhe.
Yeah.
Ngifuna next ngumuntu obhema amadrag.
Sure.
Ngifuna next ngumuntu obhema amadrag.
Sinema.
Ngihlala ngenza i-change. Mangiyobhaya ngenza i-change. Ngoba mina mangisiza lo muntu obhemayo
Yeah.
ngiphume Pick n Pay ngo-7 seyizovala. Sengafuna i-statistics sokuthi wena untshontshelwe. Lo muntu sekananyuka kubhema uyobhema yogila. Mangamgayile lelo choko. Hayi yanyiwe. Yeah, yanyiwe. Yabo.
Yeah.
So going back to the question ukuthi ama-rehab adlinyuke. Dala sothola mpethu ama-social worker khona uku-study ukuthi do you know your daily rate yokuba yini ukuthi imalini?
Yeah.
Vele boma-2 hour for wena ukuthi uhlale yini.
Sure.
That's why rehab they can let you go easily. When you say you want to go, they can let you go. Because you've already signed that, you've already submitted the paperwork, inyuku singenile kubo. Kara social development abazi ukuthi wena sowuvalile. That's why they can let you go easily. But if there's a follow up ukuthi kungaphuma abantu on the ground baye kulama rehab ukuthi babheke ukuthi enhle siphila kanjani kugawulwa ini they can be shocked nale mali bas-allocate lama rehab.
Bengibuza ukuthi kaNtatemloto uyibona njani?
Tatemloto.
Phela yazi mbana mina umadala mina ngiyamvutela yabo ngoba hayi umadala phela hayi umadala wenza into ehlula abantu ababhaka
Esi-government.
yabo ehlula i-government yabona mina noma bathi uNtatemloto kumele lihafa ama-12,000 ku-grand ngoba at the end of the day udedicate isikhathi sakhe yabo usiza abantwana abanye abomama yabo ukuthi umphakathi walelo kasi bahlulekile ukuthi bangayisiza le ntwana yabo so
Sushi umloto wethu ke.
yabo mina umadala
Sushi umloto wethu. The next
mina
Sushi mlord.
mina umadala mfethu ngiyamvukela mina umadala
Alright.
yabo nale method ayisipanisayo ngiyamvukela yabo ngoba without okay after umadala ubani ke simanje ke wasiza abantu abayeka amadrag
Wenta.
besides mina ngina platform phela mina ngiyasikhuzukela
Nice.
Platform yakho.
yabo
Dala kanje.
sesithi ama practicality
Practical.
someone who can
It's anonymous. District 9.
someone who can come to mind lo uthi
No.
yo yazi mfana kahle ngikunalela khutmani ukuthi ngiyela size bani awekho
Awekho. Asitshontshisa la makhotmani.
Khona abantu bazobukela mfethu.
yabo and
Yeah, but
Senivukile bafethu.
kasavukile.
Ningakhohlwa bafethu.
Subscribe.
Like lapho
And like my nigga. Subscribe, like, and share. Ikasi livukile.
Sesihamba kongaki socks.
Usaso.
Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
and
Sorry.
Okay, so I had a switch because you want to be tapped in the network,
Yeah.
this I think ngifuna ngipa yona long because it's avoid information. Usushu sazobuya vye. But before we wrap it up, ngiyazi ukuthi sasena ama questions sonke kabi. Amaningi zingakhuluma 4 hours.
As
But-
usual.
But because iyaqala ikasivukile. We want people to subscribe, so they can find more information.
kumele basubscribe
You understand? So what's your solution kuyo yonke into enzakalayo la ikasi manje? Ama-vape, ama-okapipe, crystal, nyawupe, ephareni.
Yeah.
Solution. lebe
Solution.
kakhulu. So now you are wrapping it up. What's the solution?
Yes, solution. Let's
yazi sometimes I always say let's not glorify the street life
Sure.
asina glorify amanga man
Yeah,
sina glorify amanga yabona abantu bafuna ukuphila music video Yeah.
America.
Ya umuntu wonke umuntu sekuyidanki majobela manje mangalawo. Ya wonke umuntu sekuyidanki majobela. Yonke intombazana sekuyibheli. Wonke umuntu
Thank you macho. Yini? Yini?
I'm in the dark.
Thank you majobela, mafuthumela. Yini? Imake thank you majobela nokuthi ekile kuthumela. Hayi man, yekani lento leyo.
Okay, street slang into zamanje.
so yabona mina mfana
Asike strategy.
Siyabuya. Cela isicommentela bayazi thank you majobela lapho.
one thing mfana can see like ikasi mana sibuye ezweni let's come back to reality. Yabo. Yeah, just do the basics. Okay. Yabo. And senzeni grow ama-network kanje.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah, because kwamanye mfethu things are scripted. You don't get the raw truth mfethu ukuthi ama-drugs ayabhayizisana.
Yeah.
Ama-drugs ayabhayizisana nginama-criminal records because of ama-drugs.
How many criminal records do you have?
Lapha last mina ngiyo-check-a mfethu lapha mfethu bathi mina ama-previous ami abo my-16.
You shebe.
Last free-shebe man.
Ishwishe.
Awani lokutshontsha
Ilokutshontsha umuntu abantu ababhema ama-drugs benza ama-petty crime.
Yeah.
Mangahlangana nomuntu obhema inyama akutshela ukuthi bekabamba isibhamu umtshele nini.
ngoba bozosikalisa
Nini. Bobamba isibhamu nini. Bobamba isibhamu wena kuphi kanjani. Yabona. Yekasi the criminal mentality yaselokishini. When I say lokishini ngikhuluma ngawo wonke amalokishini.
Yeah, wonke.
Wonke.
Asithi kasi livukile sithi wonke
Yawo. Ukuthi wonke ukuthi usekatohong othukuphi yabona.
Sentini kasi.
We are
Kodwa inhlane.
abantu bakhakhazela ukumaintain i-lifestyle sehemjimao. Uyaspina thingtikile diesel uyaswenka weekend. Kumele uspine during the week uswenka weekend. Uyabona. There's no continuity. Ayikho into positive engayi. Qineni nobona umuntu agraduate kasi lo maziyo.
Yo.
Yeah, sure.
Sithi.
Like,
Abaningi ba.
Agraduate wala. Graduation igcina ngomntana ecrash. Konje kune-graduation ya. Angazetha sigraduate nje.
yes.
Avana.
There's nothing in
nayo inkinga lento ama-drugs angithi sekugraduate-wa ngama-drugs
Yeah. Hey.
njengoba ushilo ukuthi inyawo PhD
No boy. Yabo. So
Yeah.
one thing mpethu ekufunikazi ukuthi they need to invest in such
Yeah.
Yeah.
izinto ezinjalo.
School after school program.
Yabo. Yeah, uyabona.
After school.
Ngoba amakhansela wethu siyanilwela. Senishaya amabhemura nama-cup sinilwa nathi.
Yeah.
Senigrand senishaye iy'kara. Senibona kahle ukuthi nayi sesiyamisa thina. Yabo. Ikhona ikhansela yayi and ikhansela yethu inokuya square. Iyabona ukuthi kunebhare namajita ayabheka. Wenzani ngarayiding le?
Banokubeka nalezi
I've seen football, there's VAR.
ubani ukhansela wethu
Elinye futhi manje diploma karaphezulu.
iblenje.
Yeah, abasenzeni nokuba ayikho ikhansela se-deep proof ekayasenzela something.
And then manje wabheka intwana zekhasi azona namakhansela sekhasi.
Uyabona asimazi.
Asebenzi ngakhona.
Asimazi.
Mara chakadola bayamazi.
Yabo.
Yeah.
Abantu mara sazikhansela yethu. Mara yona siyakwazi. Bayangazi thina
So
siyakwazi.
jaboni same
Ukuthi
thing.
isebenza thina.
That's why abantu bangazi ukuthi every class in a social development office mara.
Yeah, mara nakhona cabanga if it's ANC siyazi. Kusho ukuthi ANC nayo isebenza.
Kusho ukuthi ikasi mentality yasekasi idom. Kusho ukuthi abantu ikasi isiphethe ingqondo edom. Sinakane nento edom. Sina into edom. Kahle kahle thina ekasi idom. Ngoba into esihlakaniphile kumele sizibhacise asizidla. Ngithi abantu abasabi social development office. Kanjani bangasabi?
Chakatola.
Social development office and wasingazi ukuthi yazi. Ukasi idom.
Chakatola uchekasi ekasi ama-leader wethu ayasifana.
bonke na
Zwethi.
Zonke hayi nami yo.
Zone 1 to zone 6, phase 1 to phase 3.
Zone 1 to zone 6 mina ngithi ekasi idom. Ngayini into esidom. Asekeni kungayini into esidom.
Mina ngithi
Asibhekeni into esihlakaniphile.
no Chakatola like into esimple. Kune-councillor yethu. Does Deep Truth have a drug awareness campaign?
No.
Doesn't.
Why don't we have a drug awareness campaign when we have so much junkies in
Doesn't.
the hood? Because it's
Yeah.
dumb. It's not gonna
Maka makungawitraka ama-tin fish bayakhipha amafoni bayishuka.
Cause it's dumb. I think it's dumb.
Ngiyakwazi thina baxoxe
Yabo.
Amara dumb.
Okay bafethu njengoba
We need to be wise.
njengoba uyishilo
A little bit of wisdom.
And
Dumb.
okay thina baxoxe
and that's mean mfana Ntariyana, one thing mfana one thing I'll always say and always stress, yabo.
Yeah.
When I say invest in me, I'm not saying give me your money.
No.
Me, I don't want your money.
Yeah.
Me, I can do my own thing.
Yes.
Me pitches are.
Yeah.
Yabo. If Tikasi, you can have a credible person, you can set up shop, set up an account,
Sure.
you put money there. When there's an addict that needs to go to rehab, you can take out that money and provide basics for that addict.
Standard. Solution. Yeah.
If I'm ukuthi makumele ngiye-rehab kumele ngilande uNtariyana. Ntariyana ongihlanganisa noChakatola bazongenzela izinto ngiye-rehab.
Yeah,
Bangayithini
lapho
leyo.
That's how you do that. Siyazwakala. We out there for the show.
So,
My brother's keeper. Sida.
Yeah.
Thina sidaka. Ukuthi bona bayenzana ayifuni thina sidaka. Because thina sikhohlom. Thina siza nge-wisdom. Angithola-ke. So thina sizokuyada. Keeper daka. Sushi's gonna help you out because we got the solution. Well, I go my premises. Sushi's gonna help you out because so keeper. Because we what? When we talk together, we gonna be wisdom.
so
Why is you up?
otherwise for izinto ezibhaya mina nje my goal nje so sibu halfway through the year mangazibona nje ngisamajita e100 e-rehab.
I know it.
Bafethu abazali ababukele.
Sushi for drunky
Lethana
president.
abantwana, lethana abantwana.
Yabo. Mina nje hayi mina mfethu angifunele izinto ezibhaya because ama-effect wazo ngiyawacaba yabo.
Yeah.
Sure.
And there's potential man kuma-drug territories.
Yeah.
Potential ibhaya.
Qala wena sis.
Yabo.
Qala wena boy.
Bese ngihlala mina
Qala wena
ngibasela.
boy.
Mani ngathi nyavanye ufuna iloni ngingathatha abobani ngilandeza ameziduma ama-drugs ngiyasitshela ngasi ngangena la saphuma nalelo ngemkhamatawa usho
Sure.
so ngena kala lo muntu somgama valley prison yabo. So one thing I'll always say, elect people who are willing to help us
Thank God.
because we are electing people who wanna elevate nathi.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
yabo
Nedlo.
kula nekhansela siyazi ukuthi likhule kabuhlungu nini ngisekahle i-135 empower ngani
And kumele sikukwenza lento yokuthatha
Ah.
Minister of Finance, usapho Minister of Finance umfaka ku-sports. Wazini nge-sports lo muntu beka ku-finance. Uyangithola?
bayahereza
So we need
ngathi
to get the right
labantu.
people in the right
Yabo.
position.
Mawubhekile
Three things.
Ntariyana, how many rehabs are there in Gauteng?
Maybe 10.
Yazala.
Fine.
2.
Yeah?
There's 2 government rehabs in Gauteng.
One in Para,
One in Randfontein.
one in Randfontein.
There's a long list to be got into there.
Ne.
Thank you.
kumele ngabe ziningi la kule province
More
ngoba
happy.
sibhekene
Mara babhodliswa engakhi eGauteng?
Ah.
Abosinemane bayengakhi eGauteng?
Ba-akhamafem bangaceki.
Yo, hayi mara bafethu, to wrap it up. Sushi, we need you back. So bafethu,
we-
with us, it's
Yeah,
time.
so.
If you want us to run a
Precision,
bit
you gotta
longer,
run this one.
bengicela ukuthi invest for us to get proper equipment, more equipment
Yeah.
for us to run it longer.
Sure.
Kunengoma esiyishayile no-Chuck D bafethu, is talking about substance abuse. Idayile. Chakatolo uyazi chorus. Idini, ngicela uyeke dayile. Eish, dayile ngoyibhemayo. Yeah?
Umntwana ayiparile, ayiparile.
Bathi bafethu, hayi,
manje bafethu kunesinye lephumile
Eliphumile.
bafethu number 1 skebeku
number 1 skebeku.
iphumile bafethu ikhona on every digital
Platform.
bafethu la icela ni-check
Nipe.
number 1 skebeku
Skebeku,
featuring
uhulumeni,
produced by
Milo Beats.
welele
Welele bafethu.
Seven.
And kune-EP eliphumayo bafethu whereby we talk about issues like ama-drugs bafethu yabona njengoba khulume ngesigebengu izinto zasekasi
hayi
nalezi
isigebengu
esokutsotsi
masingoma
number 1 sigebengu kushuthi umphakathi uyamunderstand kanjani yazi umuntu
Hayi,
uthatha
as you know, son, Tino Minaro, numero uno campaign, minangkana ng music kwa mahala. If you wanna listen to my unreleased music, Step After Both Zilma Up and Step, I'm talking about released, recent music, go on SoundCloud. Tino Minaro on SoundCloud, all of those joints. Yeah, but you're not gonna get them on my album. Rapper Goes to Church is the album that I'm gonna be dropping later on in the year. So I'll be coming featuring on my church. Not featuring people, but I'm featuring churches.
Yona
So I'm coming to your church. Your nearest church ngiyazwakala ngizofeature church yakho, so you must invite me. Yabo?
Yeah.
Invite you to your church, get a hold of Tariana on ungitshele ukuthi how to get a hold of me. Ungitshele ngizoza at your church.
Ngiyacula
And I'll
boss.
feature your church. And 50% of the church proceedings are gonna go to the church. So you know us royalty member kings, you know what I mean? The money is gonna go to the church and it's gonna benefit the community, but we are the solution. So mina leo mali mele sipildele rehabilitation center eKaslam so we can get rid of the social ill eKaslam.
Yes.
Social development eKasi with
Amanje.
Susi siyeza.
So-
Siyeza.
so
We're
bafethu-
taking over.
Therefore, ngiyahamba thina siyazibani so. Hayi noma sihambile hayi. Bafethu don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comment down below to create a video. Bye bye. Yabo.